Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get Meowzio Sushini in Plants vs. Brainrot. So basically, you'll need a lot of luck. As you can see, one of the rebirth requirements requires me to get the Los Secolitos, I don't know how to pronounce that, and Meowzio Sushini. And basically, you'll just need for it to spawn here. There's no other way, unfortunately, to get it other than just waiting. You'll obviously need a lot of luck because it is a secret item. If you want to increase your luck, you can fight bosses. You can also use the lucky potion, and hopefully once I completed everything, I can get that Brainrot to spawn. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I still need just that to rebirth. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.